Hello everyone, what's up and welcome back. Today we're talking about Maia Plan and Maia Make. Maia Plan is your AI-powered project kickstart. You give Maia your idea and it builds a full project plan for you. To get started, head over to the apps page, click Create App in the top right hand corner and then select Plan and Build. That opens up the Plan and Build with Maia window. Now the more context and detail you give here, the better your plan will be. Think about your goals, who your users are, what success looks like, and any specific requirements you have. You can even attach documents, sketches, or images. Once you're happy with all of your choices, click Generate Plan. From there, Maia takes you into the next window. This is where it starts filling in the details. A goal description, a list of success criteria, cards for each type of target user, and a breakdown of your app's requirements. Everything here is editable. You can click to update things in line, remove items you don't need, or even add new ones. There's also a chat panel on the right hand side where you can have a back and forth conversation with Maia to refine things further. A useful thing to know, your app plan is saved to the apps page the moment you hit Generate Plan. So if you need, you can come back to it later. Once you're happy with the scope, click Approve to generate. Maia then builds a full plan with epics and user stories. You can draw into any epic to see its stories, edit details, or delete anything that you don't want. You can also ask it to recommend marketplace components. If Maia spots an approved component from the marketplace that could help with a specific story, it'll tell you. When you're ready, you can choose to either prioritize in Planning Board or open in Studio Pro to jump straight in. Now it's time to talk about Maia Make. Maia Make is an AI development assistant inside of Studio Pro. You'll need Studio Pro 11.8 or above, an internet connection, and to be signed in. Once you're logged in, just click the Maia icon in the top right corner of Studio Pro to open up the chat panel. You can then just describe what you want and Maia will generate it. Pages, microflows, domain model changes, you name it. You can hit the plus icon to attach an image, PDF, or a user story directly to your message. You can also use the add icon to add specific documents as context, like an existing microflow or a page. So if you want Maia to build something that follows the same pattern as an existing microflow, just add it as context and Maia will take it into account. Maia can also explain existing documents. Just right-click on a microflow or page in the App Explorer and you'll see the Maia Explain option here in the menu. If you're using Studio Pro 11.9 or above, there's even more. You can now remove elements from documents, you can also undo changes on a document basis, and Maia now supports workflows, view entity, enumeration, constant modules, and more. In fact, from Studio Pro 11.10, Maia takes it a step further with JavaScript action generation and something genuinely useful called folder structure awareness. This means Maia can even understand the folder structure of your project and will place newly created documents into the right folders automatically. Finally, you can connect Maia to external tools via MCP servers, things like Figma for design or Playwright for testing. If you want to dig deeper into any of these features, head over to our docs pages for more information. Make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Until next time, I'm Ryan Mocke and this is Hello Mendix.